London was not just a city, it was a system. A city already shaping the future. Built from stone, smoke, and ambition.
Before skyscrapers, before cars.
This was London.
This bridge carried the weight of the city.
Finest bread in London town. Have you the blue silk I requested?
Hey, just arrived this morning.
Law and order shaped the city, even as chaos stirred in the streets. Justice was strict, deliberate. Every case a story of the city's heartbeat.
The prosecution must prove beyond all doubt that my client is guilty. They have failed to do so, Your Honor. From above, decisions shape the lives of the city's many. The latest accounts, gentlemen. Read ye the news from abroad. Only a penny, sirs, a penny.
As daylight faded, the city slowed.
As daylight faded, the city found other ways to breathe.